My Ragda Pattice recipe is next level delicious. Come, let's cook together. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vedehi Hing. To make my patties, I have boiled potatoes. These have been boiled with a little salt. I put that in a bowl. I've got some thick poha which we've just soaked for a bit, and this acts as a binder to make our patties. To this I'm going to add a little salt, not too much. We've already boiled the potatoes with salt. I'm adding in some haldi, Kashmiri red chili powder, jeera or cumin powder, and some chaat masala. I've got a pan on which I'm going to apply some oil. Out of my potato mix, I'm going to make some tikkis, flatten them a little and place them on your hot pan. These need to be cooked well on both sides. So for our ragda, all I've done is I've soaked white peas overnight, and then I have put it in the pressure cooker with salt, haldi and red chili powder, and cooked it for up to 4 whistles, and my ragda is ready. Now time to serve. So on my plate I put my ragda. You can even mash the ragda a bit if you like. To this I'm going to add some green chutney, the recipe of which you'll find in our previous videos. I'm going to add some sweet chutney or meathi chutney, again the recipes of which you'll find in our previous videos. I'm topping this with some finely chopped onions, some finely chopped tomatoes, some red chili powder, jeera powder, chaat masala. I'm going to add some save. Then I'm going to just top this with the ready patties that we had made. And finally garnish with some finely chopped coriander.